doing today, guys? Today, we're going to be going over example 4 of how to solve multi-step equations, okay? So I don't want to waste too much time. You already know that step 1 is we need to draw the fence. We need to draw the fence. So step 1, we need to draw the fence to separate the room. So I'm drawing a fence right now to separate the room. All right. Next, what we want to do is we want to label the sides. So we want to label each side, right? You know, one side we're going to label as relationships. The other side we're going to label as single. Okay. So we can just go ahead and just say the left side is the relationship side. And when I say relationship, that means that only variables and coefficients that are attached to the variables need to be on this side. And all the constants or the single numbers needs to be on the opposite side, which I'm going to just label that as the right side, okay? So we're just going to check each side, okay? Negative 11x is in a relationship because the coefficient of negative 11 and the variable of x are together, and they're multiplying together, so they're in a relationship. But 9 is not in a relationship, it's single. So it needs to be moved to the single side. So the inverse of plus 9 is minus 9. So I'm gonna do that on both sides to just move 9 to its appropriate side, okay? Also, let's look at the single side, okay? 45 is single, so I'm gonna leave that on that side so I can subtract 9 from it. But negative 2x is not single, it's in a relationship. So I have to apply the inverse operation, which is plus 2x, and move it to its appropriate side. So negative 2x and plus 2x cancels out. Negative 11x plus 2x is actually a negative 9x. And then also 45 minus 9 equals 36. Okay. Now we have a negative 9x equals 36. Negative 9x, they're in a relationship, and they're actually in a multiplication relationship because it's saying negative 9 times x, not negative 9 divided by x, okay? Meaning that the breakup will have to be the opposite of multiplication, which is division, okay? So in order for us to break up negative 9 and x so we can actually find out the true value of x, we have to divide both sides by negative 9 because negative 9 is breaking up with x. So negative 9x divided by negative 9 is just x. And of course, whatever we do on one side, we have to do on the opposite side. A positive 36 divided by negative 9 is a negative 4. Okay? So this is how we solve multi-step equations, and this will be the value of x in this case. Thank you so much, and I will come out with another example soon.